Rooftop lettuce that slashes city trash by 60%? Welcome to rudeinsect.com.
Today we're talking about a new study showing rooftop food production can cut urban waste by up to 60%. That's a huge number, and it makes sense once you see how composting and city farming lock together.
Picture this loop. Your kitchen scraps become compost. That compost feeds planters on your roof, and those planters grow the salad you eat next week. Every banana peel that becomes soil is one less bag heading to a landfill, and one less puff of methane from decomposing organics.
And it's not just the waste. Rooftop gardens cool buildings, reduce the heat island effect, and add a bit of green to all that concrete. But to do it right, start with the basics: weight, water, and light. Rooftops have load limits, so use lightweight growing media and raised beds or containers. Make sure you've got good sun and a plan for wind because rooftops can be gusty.
Technology makes the whole thing smoother. Drip irrigation on a timer, soil moisture sensors, even simple rain barrels. These keep plants happy and water use low. Add compost teas or a handful of biochar to stretch nutrients longer and keep the growing mix light.
People worry about cost and maintenance, but there are clever, low-cost hacks. Wicking beds, repurposed containers, and modular planters you can move if the building needs access. Plus, community programs and urban agriculture grants are out there to help with startup materials and training.
Real-world proof is all around. Think of the big rooftop farms in New York turning city organics into soil and produce. In Singapore, hydroponic rooftops are dialing in ultra-efficient water and nutrient use. University rooftops in Canada collect campus food scraps, compost them, and feed their own veggies. The pattern repeats. Compost closes the loop, yields go up, and trash goes down.
And those spaces help pollinators, bees and butterflies, find habitat in places that used to be dead zones. More green up top also means better air quality and a cooler building below, which can shave a bit off energy bills.
Let's be honest about the common pitfalls. Don't overload the roof. Get the structural thumbs up first. Manage drainage so you don't create leaks. Plan for wind with trellises and barriers. Use lightweight mixes, then enrich them with compost rather than heavy soils, and keep pests in check with integrated methods, companion planting, beneficial insects, and clean growing practices.
Want a simple path to that 60% waste reduction? Try this.
Step 1. Track your organics for 2 weeks. Weigh what you'd toss: coffee grounds, veggie peels, eggshells. That's your diversion target.
Step 2. Start a compact compost system. Vermicomposting is perfect for apartments, and dedicate a couple of containers on the roof. Leafy greens, herbs, peppers, and tomatoes love containers and shallow media.
Step 3. Set up water-smart irrigation and a small rain catchment, then add mulch. Weigh how much organic waste you're diverting each month and watch your trash shrink while your harvest grows.
The social side matters too. Rooftop beds are fantastic teaching spaces. Neighbors share compost inputs, split costs on soil and tools, and trade basil for kale. That community piece keeps gardens thriving.
The future is exciting. Vertical racks that stack production, aquaponics looping fish waste into plant nutrients, and smarter sensors that tell you when to water and when to feed. Cities are starting to bake green roofs and food production into planning because the benefits compound. Less waste, cooler streets, and fresher food.
If the headline number sounds bold, remember it's mostly about what you stop throwing away. Turning organic waste into rooftop harvests is a practical, measurable win.
Start small, keep it light, and let your compost do the heavy lifting. Your trash bin gets lighter, your salads get fresher, and your roof gets greener.
That is all the time we have for today. Thank you for listening to rudeinsect.com, Conversations with Grant and Fiona.